You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly in English. Yes, I know you're confused. I am too. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is confusing indeed in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll definitely want to listen to. The top word is pronounced either like a plate, indeed, which makes those two words pronounced the same, plate, just like a plate you have on your table in your kitchen for eating, a plate, all right? This is a hairstyle also, a plate. It's also pronounced as plait. So you have two different pronunciations. How do you pronounce it yourself? Are you in the US, American? Do you say plate, plait? Two different pronunciations that are indeed used and correct for the same word in English, plate or plait. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.